It's my third or fourth time here at Goodwood, and this time is to drive the Charge car, the Mustang. And I'm super excited because I've discussed with the early founder of Charge from the very beginning that this project was coming along, and after like 7 years of hard work, they come up with this masterpiece, which I haven't driven ever. It will be my first time just now in like 5 minutes. So I'm super excited. I'm a big fan of classic cars. I'm a big fan of electric. So combining both really brings out the right emotion, the right passion, with the right technology and message for sustainability and a better future. I'm really curious to see how the four motors they interact with each other, because having four independent motors, you can torque vectoring, you can do a lot of stuff that you can actually upload this type of changes and updates through the network and make sure that the car is always constantly evolving. So having the four motors independently creates a lot of opportunities for this car, and I want to see how the car behaves, but also how this motor behaves.
.545 horsepower, 1,500 Newton-meters of torque.
It was pretty awesome. I didn't really know what to expect because it's the first time I drive the car really. Like the first time I went full throttle was the first time I was released into the uphill here in Goodwood. And as soon as I put my foot down, the front wheels completely overshoot because the car has so much torque, and I was super impressed by the acceleration. And then I was just like, try to control it. The steering is super reactive, but the car is extremely fast, and I had a lot of fun and everything was okay. So could not have been better for the first time.